can say I have gained that confidence level today, which I can say today it's all because of you.
Oh, thank you. No, you.
Like at that time, I was having many queries with me. Like I was unable to do the things on right time. Like I was having many difficulties which I used to feel before. As I have taken you as a mentor, there are I can say um, bunch of changes which made the session uh, like compared to the last session, as I am today, it was totally the change in me you can see.
I remember when we spoke, you felt that you don't get acknowledged and you felt a bit low. You felt a bit disappointed that people don't
Yes, ma'am.
value you. And we went through the whole, session about how actually, we miss out on what we get in life and we are
Yes,
looking for what we are missing out. We are not acknowledging so much that we've already received.
ma'am. You told me to write the dream diary and disappointments, and I have noted everything. And really, it's working. I can say I have gained that confidence level today. That somewhere I was feeling like why I used to do this. Why like every day why I need to point all the disappointments, and why should I write this dream diary and everything. The thing I used to get in my mind, but later then I set a mindset that no, I need to gain that level of confidence in my life. So I worked on that, which I can say today it's all because of you.
Oh, thank you. That's a big change because now you can expect that you will do well rather than feeling that you will not do well. So you've shifted into optimism from
Yes,
having
ma'am.
that
Yes, ma'am.
pessimism that you're not.
That negativity I can say that negativity I have thrown all the negativity outside. I'm capturing only the positivity which I can take into my life.
Fabulous. I'm so happy that the work that we discussed and the pattern that the mindset that you had, you have worked on, we have together worked on rewiring and
Yes, ma'am.
from negativity to positivity, from pessimism
Positivity.
to optimism. Uh,
Optimistic.
yes, and that has helped you into your confidence and you feel inspired, you feel motivated, your energy level has gone up, you're more vibrant, aren't you?
Yes, ma'am.
So is there something you would like to share with someone who is probably in the place you were 2 months ago? Would you like to share something?
Like I can say, ma'am, whatever we do, there is something or the other which human nature, like something or the other is dragging him down, but we shouldn't do that. He need to keep the mindset that he one or the other day he is going to reach that goal, and he need to work on that. Like each and there are disappointments, there are many difficulties in each and every human life. uh, it is like a nature creature. We can't change anything out of that, but we need to set a goal and work upon that, and we need to reach what we wanted. That's it.
And what do you think is the role of a mentor in one's life?
It's an inspiration, ma'am. Like what all you have done, the achievements, and what all your goals, and what are your achievements, and what you made you to be a good mentor or something else. The same is going to apply for a mentee, that he is going to learn from the mentor. Like he is going to change his life at some part of time. Like today you inspired me by your achievements, by your great work and everything, which made me to be like you. I can say you are my role model.
So I do agree with you fully that we should all have a role model to emulate because you know, a role model is like a lighthouse that gives you light, and you know, you find direction to your path. And of course, role models keep evolving as you keep traveling in your journey. So I fully agree with you. You very beautifully explained that, you know, you role model gives you light, gives you inspiration, gives you direction.
Do you feel low in self-worth? Do you find confidence not coming so easily to you? Hi, I'm Sangeeta Maheshwari, your inner growth and happiness mentor, and I can help you grow that confidence that you're missing out to connect with and find that place of happiness so that you can go and achieve anything that you desire. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because I always post inspiring videos that can help you achieve what you're looking for. See you there.